Good morning, dear students. Today we will complete the remaining part of the chapter how the tale of two birds. So we read yesterday that how the two birds were separated from their mother and the mother bird was killed in a storm. After that, one bird was reached in a cave where the gang of robbers live, and another bird went to a ashram of a rishi. And what happened one day, there a king came to hunt some animals, and he followed a deer, and the king lost his way and he went near a cave, and near that cave there was a big tree, and the king was very tired, so he started resting there. As he was doing rest there, he heard a noise. Suddenly he heard a voice cry out, "Quick, hurry up, there is someone under the tree." He heard the voice that someone was saying कि जल्दी जल्दी करो, इधर आओ, here is someone under the tree, come and take his jewels and his horse. जल्दी से आके इसके ज्वेल्स ले लो और इसका हॉर्स भी ले लो. हरी और एल्स ही विल स्लिप अवे. जल्दी से सब कुछ ले लो, नहीं तो ये यहाँ से भाग जाएगा. द किंग वॉज अमेज्ड. किंग बहुत ही ज़्यादा आश्चर्यचकित हो गया. ही लुक्ड अप एंड सॉ अ बिग ब्राउन बर्ड ऑन द ट्री अंडर विच ही वॉज सिटिंग. उसने जैसे ही ऊपर देखा तो एक बहुत बड़ा सा बिग ब्राउन बर्ड था उस ट्री के ऊपर जिसके नीचे वो बैठा हुआ था. He also heard faint noises issuing from the cave. He quickly got onto his horse and rode away as fast as he could. And the king heard some other noises from the cave, and so he quickly got to his horse and he ran away from that place as fast as he could, because he knew that something wrong is going to be happen with him. After that, the king was amazed to hear a similar voice again. In the next part of the chapter, you will see the king will heard the same voice. He came to know the bird's true story. He met the rishi who explained the behavior of each bird. Okay. Soon he came to a clearing which looked like an ashram. It was the Rishi's ashram. After he ran away from the cave of the robbers, he reached to a very open place, and that was a ashram. उसमें कोई ऋषि रहते थे. द किंग टाइड हिज हॉर्स टू अ ट्री एंड सैट डाउन इन इट्स शेड. किंग ने क्या किया, अपना जो हॉर्स था उसको वहीं पास में जो पेड़ था उससे बांध दिया और उसके छाँव में बैठ के रेस्ट करने लगा. सडनली ही हर्ड अ जेंटल वॉइस अनाउंस, "वेलकम टू द आश्रम. सर, प्लीज़ गो इनसाइड एंड रेस्ट. द ऋषि विल बी बैक सून. There is some cold water in the pot. Please make yourself comfortable." Then he heard a very gentle, very sweet voice. Someone was saying to the king that welcome to this ashram. And what he else said, that go inside the ashram and rest there. And the rishi will come back very soon. And the bird also added that there is some cold water in the pot. You can drink that water and you can make yourself comfortable. The king looked up and saw a big brown bird in the tree. He was amazed. Now, king saw above the tree, and what he saw, the same big brown bird which he saw there near the cave of the robbers. And again he was amazed. "This one looks like the other bird outside the cave," he said to himself loudly. And what he said to himself that this bird is looking like exactly as the bird I saw in the near the cave. And this he said to himself loudly. "You are right, sir," answered the bird. The bird listened to what the king said, and the bird answered, "You are right. He is my brother, but he has made friends with robbers. He now talks as they do. He doesn't talk to me anymore." Just then the rishi entered the ashram. And what the bird told the king, that yes, you are absolutely right. That bird is also my brother, and now he became friends with the robbers, and that is why he talked like them. And he is no more talking with me, because I am talking like a gentle person. And as they were talking, all of a sudden a rishi entered the ashram. "Welcome, sir," he said to the king. And as Rishi saw the king, he said, "Welcome." Please come inside and make yourself at home. You look tired. Rest for a while, then you can share my food. Then what Rishi said to the king? आपको देख के ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे आप बहुत थके हुए हैं. कम इनसाइड और आप यहाँ पे आइए, आराम करिए और उसके बाद आप मेरा खाना जो है वो शेयर कर सकते हैं. द किंग टोल्ड द ऋषि द स्टोरी ऑफ द टू बर्ड्स एंड हाउ ईच हैड बिहेव्ड so differently, though they looked so alike. The forest is full of surprises, he said. Now the king said to the rishi that I have saw two same birds in the ashram, but they were talking differently. In this way, the king was amazed and he asked the rishi that the forest is full of surprises. The one bird is talking something else, and the similar other bird is talking something else. So it is really very strange. The holy man smiled and said, after all, one is known by the company one keeps. This is very important line. Do underline is one is known by the company one keeps. मतलब कि एक व्यक्ति को बिल्कुल उसी तरीके से जाना जाता है जिस जैसे लोगों के साथ वो रहता है. आपने देखा होगा अगर कुछ कुछ लोग अच्छे लोगों के साथ रहते हैं, भले ही वो अच्छे ना हो, बट उनको लोग अच्छा ही समझते हैं, है ना. तो आप जैसे लोगों के साथ रहते हैं वैसे ही आपको समझा जाता है. दैट बर्ड हैज़ ऑलवेज हर्ड द टॉक ऑफ रॉबर्स. ही इमिटेट्स them and talks about robbing people. This one has repeated when he has always heard. After that, the king continued that bird always lived with a group of robbers, a gang of robbers, and he listened what they said and he imitates them. And he talks similarly like the robbers are talking. This one has repeated what he has always heard, and this bird always repeated the words which he has heard. He welcomes people to the ashram. He always welcomes people to the ashram. Now come inside and rest. I'll tell you more about this place and these birds. After that, the king said, now come inside my hut and sit down. After that, we will discuss more about these birds and these forest. So in this way the story is completed, and the moral of the story is always live with the good people. If you feel that someone with whom you are living is not the right person, so leave him immediately, because if you will live with the wrong people, you will also learn the wrong things in your life. So try to do a company with the right people and become a person who can give company to the right one. मतलब आप अच्छे लोगों के साथ रहें और आप भी एक ऐसा इंसान बने कि कोई आपकी कंपनी में रह के ये समझे कि मैं किसी अच्छे इंसान की कंपनी में हूँ. I hope you love the story. This is not a true story. It is just a story like fable, Panchatantra story in which birds are speaking, because it is not possible that birds can speak. Okay, but the moral of the story is very important, that we should always keep good company. Thank you. Have a nice day.